Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Btu Meter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked devices for homeowners and building managers aiming to optimize energy efficiency and control heating and cooling costs, providing precise measurements of thermal energy consumption that can lead to significant savings and improved comfort levels within any space. Number 5. ERICKHILL EMF Meter. True EMF protection begins with accurate detection. This device helps you identify dangerous radiation hotspots in your home or office, ensuring a safer environment for you and your family. Wondering if your EMF shielding products actually work? Use this detector to scientifically verify their effectiveness by comparing readings before and after installation. Ensure your protected areas consistently stay below the safety standard. This tool allows for continuous monitoring, giving you peace of mind that your environment remains safe. It features a built-in electromagnetic radiation sensor that displays readings on a clear LCD screen. It can test both magnetic and electric fields with optional units for your convenience. Receive immediate notifications when electric or magnetic fields exceed safe thresholds. The screen turns red, an indicator light flashes, and a buzzer sounds to alert you. This detector is suitable for identifying EMF radiation from various household appliances like TVs, computers, and refrigerators. It's useful for home inspections and workplace safety. Easily freeze readings with the data hold function and view them clearly on the LCD screen, even in low light. It also features an auto power-off function to conserve battery. What we like. This device is excellent for identifying potential radiation hotspots in your home or office. It provides clear audio and visual alerts when EMF levels are high. If you're looking for a straightforward way to monitor your environment for electromagnetic radiation, this is a great choice. What people say. The Btu meter has a clear and easy-to-read display that shows all the essential information at a glance. Installation was straightforward, and the device connected seamlessly to my existing heating system. The accuracy of the Btu meter has been impressive, providing reliable data for monitoring energy consumption. Number 4. ERICKHILL 3-in-1 Rechargeable EMF Meter. Introducing the ERICKHILL EMF Meter, a versatile 3-in-1 device designed for precise electromagnetic field detection. It measures electric fields, magnetic fields, and RF signals, providing clear readings on its LCD screen. Equipped with a sensitive sensor and a microcontrol chip, this meter offers accurate measurements of electromagnetic radiation. Use the results to take informed actions for your well-being. Easily detect 5G signals and RF up to 10 GHz, as well as electromagnetic fields from common household appliances. It's perfect for identifying potential radiation sources in your home or office. This device is a must-have for ghost hunters and anyone interested in paranormal phenomena. It's also ideal for office workers, pregnant women, and the elderly concerned about electrical radiation. Enjoy features like average, peak, and maximum readings, data hold, and a large, backlit LCD screen for clear visibility. It also includes sound and light warnings for your safety. Your purchase includes the EMF meter, a charging cable, and a user manual. We also offer dedicated customer support for any questions you may have. What we like. This meter offers a comprehensive 3-in-1 detection capability, including RF signals up to 10 GHz, making it ideal for modern concerns like 5G. If you're interested in paranormal investigations or need a versatile tool for various EMF sources, this is the one to consider. What people say. The device is very accurate and easy to use. It has a clear display that shows all the necessary information. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 3. Fluke 16323 HVAC Multimeter and Clamp Meter Combo Kit. Introducing the Fluke 16323 HVAC Combo Kit, your essential tool for professional HVAC work. This kit combines a versatile multimeter and a powerful clamp meter to handle a wide range of electrical testing needs. The multimeter in this kit features a built-in thermometer, perfect for HVAC applications. Easily measure temperatures directly, streamlining your diagnostic process. Accurately test flame sensors with its microamp measurement capability. This ensures reliable performance and troubleshooting for ignition systems. It also boasts low input impedance, which helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltages. Get more reliable measurements in complex electrical environments. The clamp meter measures up to 400 amps of AC current and 600 volts AC/DC. It provides the power and range you need for most common electrical tasks. Both the AC current and AC voltage measurements are true RMS. This ensures accurate readings, even when dealing with nonlinear signals often found in modern systems. What we like. This combo kit is specifically designed for HVAC professionals, featuring a built-in thermometer and microamp capabilities for flame sensors. If you're in the HVAC trade and need precise measurements for troubleshooting and maintenance, this toolset is indispensable. What people say. The meter is easy to install and set up. It accurately measures the BTU consumption. The display is clear and easy to read. Number 2. Launch X431 Pro 3S Plus version 5.0 scanner. Discover the 2026 Elite 5.0 version of our advanced bidirectional scanner. It offers enhanced commercial functions and wider vehicle coverage, including FCA SGW authorization. Unlock OE-level features like online code setting and offline code modification for a vast range of global vehicle brands. These capabilities are constantly expanding. Perform diagnostics on all vehicle systems, from ECM to AC. It reads and erases codes, views live data, and retrieves ECU information with ease. Auto-VIN simplifies identification. Experience full bidirectional control with active testing. Send commands to various systems and components to test their functionality without using the vehicle's controls. Access over 55 reset and service functions, including ECU coding, ABS bleeding, and injector coding. It provides dealership-level relearn procedures for efficient repairs. Equipped with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, a powerful octa-core processor, and dual-band Wi-Fi, it ensures fast and efficient diagnostics. Enjoy extended battery life and ample storage. It supports various expansion modules for heavy-duty trucks and ADAS calibration. With 25 language options, it's perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. What we like. This is a professional-grade diagnostic scanner with advanced bidirectional control and topology mapping for comprehensive vehicle analysis. If you're a mechanic or a serious DIYer looking for deep system diagnostics and active testing capabilities, this tool will significantly enhance your repair efficiency. What people say. The Btu meter is a great tool for monitoring energy consumption. Its compact design makes it easy to install in various locations. The device provides accurate readings and detailed energy usage reports. Number 1. Akozon Solar Power Meter. Introducing the Akozon Solar Power Meter, your essential tool for accurate solar energy measurements. It's designed for a wide range of applications, from solar research to meteorological studies. Never lose important data again. This device features a hold button for maximum and data retention, making it simple to record, compare, and analyze your experimental findings. View your measurements with ease on the large, high-resolution LCD screen. It offers a wide range and fast sampling time for precise readings of sunlight intensity. This meter provides readings in both W² meter and BTU, offering flexibility for various experimental needs. It's a compact and portable instrument, ready for any field or lab work. Get accurate results instantly. Simply point the probe directly at the light source for stable, long-term measurements without any complex adjustments. Perfect for physical and optical experiments, this instrument helps verify the performance of materials like glass under specific light conditions. It's a reliable companion for researchers and scientists. What we like. This meter is perfect for solar energy research and physical experiments, offering direct measurement of sunlight intensity in Wm2 and BTU. If you're involved in solar energy studies or need to verify the performance of glass under sunlight, its precision and portability make it an excellent choice. What people say. The Btu meter is a great tool for monitoring energy consumption. It has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to read and understand the data. The device is compact and lightweight, making it easy to install in various locations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.